So, as I started off, originally, my graph was kind of like this. If you're close, you can kind of see like the shade of it. And it kind of just, it felt wrong to me because after I've multiplied these so many times, I realized that when I start to stack 0.6 on top of each other so long, it gets to like its peak, its climax, and then it will fall. So when it keeps going up, I realized that it was wrong, and I just didn't know why. So to get the original wrong numbers, I kind of remembered from the baseball game where I did the percent you get a no, and then 0.6 is yes. So I figured, oh, there's like 3 ways to get a no, but you can't really arrange 3 no's and get a different 3 no's. It's going to be 3 no's every time. Whereas if you have one of the other, where one loss or 1 win, you can kind of switch it up where you could do yes, no, no, or no, yes, no, or no, no, yes, and then vice versa for here. And then same thing for the yeses. You can arrange 3 yeses in a way that you can get a different 3 yeses. So my middle numbers ended up being correct because if you have 1 win and 2 losses, or 2 wins and 1 loss, you can arrange them 3 different ways where you can get that same outcome of the ending of 2 wins or 2 losses, 2 no's, 1 yes. But for these, I had to bring it down to 1 because there's only 1 way you can arrange them, which dropped both my end bars, which then kind of made sense to me. Because saying that like 0.6 is obviously a little bit more than 0.5, it's more than half. So half of 3, like a 3-person poll, half of that's 2. So it made sense to me that 2 was the highest, because 0.6 is about half.
Here's a last thing, Zach. What are you doing over here with this box thing?
Oh, my area model? Well, I was trying to, because it came to my attention that besides that I know that the fact that there's clearly 3 ways to arrange this, I was trying to find a way to express it in easier terms. So I was like, oh, like this area model, but in the end it just kind of, it felt repetitive of where it only tells you how to get it, where you can follow like, oh, 0.4, then to a win, then to a loss, but you don't see like the full like other opportunities of what you could have gotten. So yeah, and that's where I stopped.